In this video, we'll be looking at Jogg AI. It is a product that caught my attention when I was on producthunt.com, and I saw that this was the number one product on the day they launched and number one product on the week of that launch. Jogg AI offers avatar creation and video creation, which is AI based. Jogg AI seems to have lots of features, but I'm particularly interested in two of their features. One is topic to video and URL to video. You will see it in a second what do I mean by these features and why it caught my attention. Let's go check out their website. Now here we are on the website of Jogg.ai. As you can see on the screen, they have this hero segment which is kind of clear, which is about AI video generator with lifelike AI avatars. Now this is their feature called AI avatars. If you go to their feature section, you will notice avatar creation and video creation. So that's what their one of the other features was, but video creation is what I'm going to look at today. As you can see, this website, it's very clean, very beautiful looking. I could not find any issues with this landing page as I usually do. It has very clear messaging as well. One of the things that I liked about this website is the way they start showing the social proof, the way the product is getting utilized, or examples of how the product can be used. And so I think this is a great way to showcase what your product can do. And a lot of companies do this, but this feels a little more compelling. So just by looking at this video, it's a little hard to tell whether the whole video is created within Jogg AI or whether the video is created by someone else but edited here. But nevertheless, they still have made the effort to actually showcase what the product can offer. As we scroll down, they start to explain what their features are. One of the sections that I liked about this landing page is this one, where they start showcasing the features one by one. So here we have URL to video, talking avatar video, and then we have AI script generator, we have batch mode, all-purpose template, etc. Now the thing that caught my attention was basically URL to video, AI script generator, talking avatar video, because video generation nowadays, we know with AI, it is becoming easy and it has already been done by other tools. Now let's move on to the pricing page. Now in the pricing page, we have free plan, which is what I was excited to see. They also have starter plan, creator plan, team plan, enterprise plan. So it looks like they are targeting across the spectrum. It's not just for individual creators or large teams. It seems like their product does have breadth to serve all these types of customers. What I'm interested here to see is in the free plan, you do get to generate up to 3 videos. You can have one custom video avatar and you can generate one photo avatar. And I think it's a credit-based system because they mention here credit expire yearly. So maybe this 3 videos are just 3 credits. So it could be something like that. Now that we have checked the pricing page, let's go ahead and do the sign up. Since I have already created an account, I'm going to go ahead and click on continue with Google. So I just signed in and this is my dashboard. For some reason, when I saw this page, it reminded me of Canva. If you look at Canva, there is a slight resemblance in that UI design language. You have this left-hand side navigation panel. You have a section here that has an option to explore the existing templates and designs, and then you can go ahead and create your own. So there is some similarity in the way the UI design feels to you. When you look at Jogg's dashboard, it looks very clean and very neat. I like the design language that they have, the color choices they have made on their dashboard, and the way they have chosen to present the information right on my homepage here. Now, as I scan through this, I can see they have a left-hand side menu, which is kind of classic. When you go to the subscription details, you can see your free plan here. So I can see that I also have an option to purchase additional credits as I go. So for example, if I need 10 extra credits or something because I just want to make, let's say, 10 videos or 13 videos in total, then I just need to buy these credits at $19. This is very interesting to see that they have mentioned this section here about purchase as you go, but not on their pricing page. So on the pricing page, they did not specify that you could add credits as you like. It's done only in the signed in experience. So I'm not sure what's the research behind this, but looks like they do have some good assumptions on why they have put it here. This strategy is really nice when it comes to pricing. They might be experimenting here, but it's a very good experiment to have. This is my details about what I can do with my free plan. I have 3 credits right now. Fantastic. So let's go back to their homepage. And there are 2 features that I wanted to try for this video. I want to look at this topic to video and then URL to video. So let's go ahead and go for topic to video. In this section, I can see you have an option to generate script with AI. Okay. Introducing the AI video generator, learning transforms growth. So they have given me some choices on what topic you want this video to be about. So I have an interesting topic here. I want to talk about Indian spices. And target language is English. This is also brilliant. They already have so many languages covered. This is impressive. I've selected English for now, and then we have option to do the tone. So this is where I feel it matters a lot on playing around with these tools and trying to choose the right voice, because you may be able to go for this professional sounding voice or a friendly or a casual voice, but it may not suit your video. It's good to see so many choices. Now at this point, because I'm making it for the first time here, I don't want to choose a voice which is not set as default. I want to see if they have an option for me to edit it later as well. So I'll stick to professional here, and we have script length of 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 3 minutes. I'll opt for 30 seconds here. And here they have an option to choose the model, now which is GPT-4 and DeepSeek. For this one, you would have to experiment with the script. So let's say I put in Indian spices right now and I generated a script. Now I could go back and experiment with DeepSeek and see whether I get a different text or not. So for now, let's go ahead with this default selection, and I've got a topic here. So let's click on generate script. Now it will. That's very interesting. They had an intermediate screen which said that we are generating. It might take 15 to 30 seconds. It's a very good UI touch, by the way. And they have broken down the script in scenes. So let's go ahead and read about the first scene. Indian spices are renowned for their vibrant flavors and health benefits. Each spice, from turmeric to cumin, adds unique taste and aroma to dishes. Now, if I'm not happy, I think I have an option to regenerate or edit the topic. I don't want to edit the topic, but let's see what happens if I regenerate. Okay. Now it added some more sentences to it. So they play a crucial role in the cuisine. Each spice offers unique health benefits. Okay. And they've added much more stuff to this one. Now let's go ahead and click on generate video. As soon as I hover over this generate video button, I get 3 options for the video format: 9:16, 16:9, and 1:1. You can also see the formats in visual format. So it's not just text, which is brilliant, because many times I struggle with these ratios. Even if you know them by heart, it is very difficult to visualize how the video is going to look like. So let's click on this 9:16 and it will start generating the video. Okay. So I see here is my video, and then I have an option for avatar. Let's just see what the first output is like without doing anything else.
They play a crucial role in Indian cuisine, enhancing the taste and aroma of dishes. Common spices include turmeric, cumin, coriander, and...
So first impressions, because this is the first video that I'm ever seeing in this manner, it's a bit slow for me. Also, they mentioned about the lip sync, that it will get lip synced after the video has been submitted or rendered. But now is the time, I guess, I want to do an edit. But so far, I'm just blown away by the way I could generate from a topic to the video, which is the output, in less than a minute. So let's go ahead and check if I can change this avatar, which is what the primary selection was. And let's say I want to make it a woman, and let's choose this one. Let's also see if I can do something to the speed of this video. So where do I edit it? Layout, text. Okay, media, music. Yeah, I have to go to the script, and then here in the script, I think I can change the speed. So here I have an option to do 1.1, 1.2, and I can choose this for every single scene, which is brilliant, because maybe some of the scenes are already okay and some scenes are not. So for now, I'm just going to apply to all, and I have to click on render audio, and it's done. So let's see how this sounds like.
They play a crucial role in Indian cuisine.
So here's what my learning is. I changed the avatar, but I did not change the voice. I have to find out where I can change this voice. Okay, which is right here. So current selection is Chris, which is male, middle-aged, multilingual. I'm going to click on Chris, and okay, I have lots of options for voices here. I can go ahead and filter by gender, language, age, use cases. This is just brilliant. I think this is a really well thought out product. I'm just surprised. I'm just surprised as the number of options that I see here. Me being an Indian, I want to see if there is any Indian accent here. So let's go for a female voice. and English is okay. I can't choose accent. Okay, it's okay if I can't choose the accent there. I might be able to just go with the names. I can guess based on names. So this is Hindi. And let's see what I do in English.
Hello there. If you are looking for a voice that can be used for ads or content,
You might have various options here. So if I search India or Indian, I think I will get a lot more options. To me, when I see a product like this, I think they are already very inclusive in the way they have presented their choices. This team has understood their target audience quite well. It sounds like it. Either they have overloaded their features or they have really understood their customer and made it. So I'm going to go ahead with Tara and confirm. Let's see if this matches. I have to render audio again. And so let's see if this matches my avatar here. Perfect. So the rendering of the audio is done. Let's play.
For their vibrant flavors and aromatic qualities.
This is where I noticed that the speed does not work. So I'm going to make some changes to the speed here. Keep it to the original default one that it was mentioned. I don't want to make a lot of edits here because this video will turn out to be too long. I just want to see the output of this. One of the things I really liked about this feature so far is I just gave a single topic. I do have an option to edit the script if I wanted to. The first output quality is already brilliant, so I don't see any need to do anything else. One more thing that I want to do is add some music. And let's just go with this.
Indian spices are renowned worldwide.
This is a 33 seconds video so far, and I can see it has given me excellent quality. And let's see what we can do next. Let's click on render. So generate AI videos, great project to run. Okay, want to remove my watermark. I'm okay with watermark so far. This is where my one credit will be eaten up and I will be left with some credits. So submit. This is how I like the way products do upselling of their features. See how they say upgrade for speed. Estimated time is 5 minutes. You wait for 5 minutes for this one. My sense is because this is 30 seconds video, it won't be an issue. I'm choosing not to upgrade. I'll keep it at this one and I'll see what it does. So the video generation is done. I can see this is the output here. I have an option to download it. I can also edit it as new, okay, and adjust whatever I want to do with this particular video. So that was interesting. This is for the first time I have not had any hiccups in terms of getting the first time right. This is something that I always talk about when designing products. One of the important things is if you think this is your main action in the product or this is your main journey for the user, make sure that there are no hiccups along the way. You can have certain templates, you can have certain presets if you like, but you have to make it so easy for the user that as they progress in the journey, they're able to get to the end of it. So the next thing I wanted to try was the URL to video ad. Now I chose a product which is a toaster, took that Amazon link and added it over here. And let's click on analyze the URL. Now the expectation here is it takes the product details and tries to make a video out of it. This is the material that they found on the product URL that they can use. It's already pre-selected, so I'll just go ahead and confirm and see what it does. Now here is where I can add more details. So add media and product details. This is my URL. This is the name of the product. Describe your own audience here. I could also add my audience. That's interesting. And I could add more media if I like. Fantastic. So I have an option to choose the length of the video as well. I'll keep it to 15 seconds. Yeah, it gives me some helper text here. If you are waiting for the video processing, try deleting less effective. That's just brilliant. You know, I wouldn't be able to figure out why my next button was disabled, but I knew why. I could have deleted that if I wanted to. I'll just go ahead and click on next. You notice how they have mentioned this will take up to 45 seconds. So you know exactly or approximately how long will it take. This is what I mean by making the user experience better. Now I have a choice to make. I've got these many options to choose for my favorite script. I have like these top 3 reasons: discovery, data, light marketing. Once upon a morning, Bob faced the ultimate breakfast dilemma. I don't want my toaster ad to be so dramatic. Maybe I'll go with the discovery part if you're struggling with uneven toasted bread, and go ahead with that. But I like how they have given the choices. That's brilliant. It is just brilliant. And I'll click on next. So here you have an option to choose a template from the library if you wish to, but I'll let the AI do it for me. One thing I noticed, they mentioned 45 seconds required to, complete this analysis, but it actually does not take that long. It's a nice delight factor because I wait for 45 seconds in my mind, but you delighted me before that. So here I see the video, which is, there's a preview here and there's a visual style selection. I can change my avatar if I like, and I can also add music to it. And so they have different options to choose from. One is just a person talking. Second one is a person talking overlaid on the product shots and product videos. And then you have different formats in which you can do. If you want to keep it very informal, you have something like this. And let's see what they have done in the first. So what it does is takes the avatar talking and then intersperse that with different video shots or product shots from the product URL, and then they make this. The second choice is here, which is there is a product in the background and then you have a video overlaid on top of it. I think so far I'm just blown away by the quality of this product. At no point did I have a point of frustration. At every single point where I could be frustrated as a user, they have managed to have me engaged with it. One of the things that I like is when they're generating the video, they tell me that it will take 45 seconds. Secondly, what I noticed is whenever there is a slight delay, they will tell me why the delay is happening and how you can avoid this delay. From a product design point of view, this is extremely well designed product. So now let's go ahead and render this video. This will happen in the background. I will get two videos. One I created right from the topic directly to a video. Second one is from the product URL and got a video. I can totally see why this product got ranked #1 on Product Hunt. If you're a content creator or if you're a company that wishes to do performance marketing through these video ads, I think this product is a really great fit. You should check it out. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.